Guru. IT Guru because it's not easy. So please, we have in our midst the Gadangbe Student Union.
Okay.
They paid a courtesy call on regional minister.
Wonderful.
But as you are aware, she is not around, so she asked us to. In fact, I came and knock at the office, but look like they were down, so they are here with us. Okay.
Wonderful. It's always an honor to have people, and especially the youth, appreciate your efforts. So I am very, very sure that our Honorable Regional Minister and MP for Shire Sudoku will definitely appreciate what you've done, for you recognizing her efforts for the region, and also for seeing her as somebody that is worthy of emulation. So she will definitely appreciate it, and we will also convey this warm greeting that you've paid on her, so that she will know that she has the youth behind her. She has a very strong force in the Gadangbe Students Union behind her. So thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for honoring our regional minister and our MP. Okay. And God bless you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Educational outreach in Imbla we okay educational outreach je only akishi wa chono ni woto wa kase so shiko ukwe Gadangbe shiko no nje bikebe pina me lucky culture. The culture is comprised of a lot. Language ke dressing name ni no fiano is about culture ni Gadangbe Student Union no work for 1 year outreach no wire not only ake wa chono me wo ni woto wa kase shi some project Gadangbe culture e wo school sam by teaching them na me le Gadangbe kusu ke ni bi aside from that ke okwe wo ma ba yi afi ni ke ehye afi ni ake Gadangbe festival niji omo ka safitufia if you big problem in your region eja ake boy nani ame accept what tradition ade na me feel like won bi akomani boy wo ke ba on board ekotumo ban madu mo ke bi ne ame feel like se ko ni je jalegbe no ke okwo Gadangbe kusu be no noji won wo gateway ke ha Gadangbe afie ni wo ba take the opportunity na ke outreach ni wo ba ya wo ba start information and spread it ni mena le ake Gadangbe na ba start wo afie ni these are some of the things ni ya no e ma ni o monike onani ba be sano femi o ko gbono no tun o apply alo o be naka mla ni mo fiamu jole jake be pie ha office of the regional minister shake your more because he has in 2-3 past regional ministers ni they find challenges ke naka o mo afie le yake ade no na so mo bi nglale man bi nglale ni wo mo ke ni jawo outreach ni ba take impact to that because e ba nye supporting regional minister which moy ye jeme owe about sanitation befa even though ni eyemi yake regional minister ke phone yake every month Friday sanitation day sha ni wo bi o yake ne mo ba check school befa ne mo ba check hospital befa wo mo ke ni jaka ake Gadangbe student organization ni wo je manemi ni ake wo je manemi ni regional minister afi wo nyawo na ka gbefa won ba pick jeme wo tu eni ala yake ni tumo le pe eni atufen assembly ko ni atufen at the end me ba excuse afi ne ka shi ake wo afi spies maka ma che wo yake spies ni bi gomeni ke wo nani eya na ojuba education befa o ba report ke hale at the end le ba na ka anunyame ni ke na anunyame automatically won anunyame because ke ji aka wo regional minister ji the best regional minister in the record of the year eko ba sa wo je jadu ake eko ba sa Gadangbe form bi lewe yo ma ke okwe scholarship be fani nyemi no awiwo be pie awiwo mo aje je shikape shi be pie materials ne ke tools ne need yo bi ke bi most mi na la ke shika ko kan ha bi ke dey pay school fees mo ade ne e kwa wo yi shika o hale material na ke ka se ni o ba no check because school e ponu wo ya ke o have attachment aba check your attachment aba supervision check you ni ke no ko habu ake ke ka se ni sama family ma fobo check mo ni ma na ke ni ke habu o family o use o follow e program for I make your sure ke bag ya bo ka school bag no ka school no use bo no no ba kwa financial scholarship be fa wo ka yo mu ba chakpa ni ji office ba chakpa currently issue ko ya no ni address we ni by address ya wo ni if you money UAG currently you are not going to give anybody scholarship there because each student receive a scholarship later. You ask yourself why, how? Because get the high refund the school management. It's cheating. Ni tomobono you is about transparency. Ni no about checking like transparency. Student organization what about like check up say okay many I may receive a scholarship through management. What about na can be ni okay regional minister list ne many na ka check and na ka me a scholarship no no e bia ka sana family aha me ko waka regional minister office chakpa wo wonu tumo ja wa tu GADANSU eke ni no ni ben le anye iketa pi ni iketa pi ni wono ji wonu tumo ile wonu tumo no wa nyo tu ka wale wonye won regional minister office ka shimon GADANSU eke ni tumo akele ka wo moko ne atu ne ba wo le nyomo ke wo sacrifice won tumo e ba na e ko nyu scholarship yo mo ne me moko me receive scholarship ete ni moko ni die ko ne na aden le ba receive le double no ne kama jani bi ne fe jino ko ni sanwo check ko okwe post ni egbe fa hu fe eni di check ni organization maka ka wonu tumo ake ka yomu e ka ba wonu tumo ake wa check wono jage wa hima mo check issue se eni gbe na ton gan wo list bi e ka ba okay schools na aton gan bi e okay this year me 20 bagbe gaton mo na okay a post me ne e jada braka akale gwa da braka school no na kan tumo o expect aka regional minister anya na ka round say o expect aka mancheko ya anya na ka round say no student organization ni ji wonu tumo o ba tuna kan tumo ka wa yomu e no wa kwa fai ani yomu e na ele ake wo ka wa chapa no ka ba charge be maka ke number 6 e an water number 6 e hale an water midfield hale no ni ya no mami when it comes to education be fa bo etia wo etu wo no wa anye no ba hale report be acknowledgement ehia okay ni lante e acknowledge wo enwonna ni ikashida ba hale eja kele we nanu tumo no tu keje last year keje be ni wo jeji wa anale be nanu tumo tu ni wo fe commission tu aka ni project ni fe wo kan mo fa ne ni ba office ni afa ngani ke ni be wo kan ni be shi ni keke mo fe mo ko onu tumo ni e ba wi e habo dan wo mo ko no wa wi wo me no tala shi fe sebe ta fa che wo pian pune ni aka wo pian pune wo vision aka wo se pune ni e she ekukupa na aka wo many fimi ushiko no anokwalele madumu nyema na maka shi ke e ba transparency le nyesu maka kan shi fini ni mo fi mo na at the end ke e kan shi transparency na ka bu ona onyo femi ko e ko nto aka scholarship ne and it's a issue the last week I make maybe any due to that I cannot go and lobby any scholarship for them now then mama lobby scholarship for them I have to check I'm a system man I can many under scholarship. Because go here under scholarship, I don't see the use for you getting another scholarship. It doesn't make sense. No, nekanibi ife obasumaka uka yumbe chana kachakwa. Fe kake ko kale na kachakwa obana the necessary things ni isaka wofu. No be yumo fi on maye Yemen. Waka oba congratulate le. Leji yo kenkle na wo le regional minister ehama. Ni akeleji yo kenkle. Every student leader leji yo kenkle. After fourth republic. Ni mini jino no ba nwo fake. As organization ka wale. Be regional minister no tumo le tu bianu mama yo no wo afele running mate ke ha ja ke gadan do won yin ko make wona ko president ni wo yeku ni ka wo ba yawo it's up to us wo ba taking a responsibility ja e ko me fe wo jino ni ba nye wa ni isolo mo pe ja ke e ko me fe wo ba wote ni ke ko me fe wo ba wote no no wo ba tu ka wa yo mu e wo tu ka wale ni ade hende ke jomo afani aba chele e konkulu wona ka ka e ko abuna kle ba ya no yo mo fi ma wi ne.
So, on behalf of GADANSU National Student Union, we want to present citation of honor to our regional minister, Honorable Linda Obiniwa Akweli Okulu, the DG Greater Accra Regional Minister. Congratulations on your appointment as Greater Accra Regional Minister. Your dedication, selfless service, and leadership will bring hope, growth, and prosperity to GADANSU people in Ghana. Ayeko.
Is it my
Your mother wants to breathe.
Policy. Niji ke obiteni wo woloni ke otoro le look about the union ke oko wa nyo ma present no ke gbe ke hale biane ma ake ye gender ko yobani vice president ba wo
Honorable Regional Minister, Honorable Linda Akwele, from the Gadangbe National Student Union. Noni man we few peji ne you adon you no fe no ni eyo wuro name here ma hand over ka Regional Minister ko ni wo kwe gbeno ni wo ba cho ko ni wo fe wo ba han Gadangbe edomoshi ni domo inane no ne you adon
especially student type fan.
Yes, student
type fan ga the future. Once you about the future of the student there or like and no ye to work the future one nation no. You will adon. Yeah. Or as my picture ko ni. Or fan or me bele.